Hi guys, we are Team Wonderforce and we are going to be presenting about our product, which is EcoSuction. Before we go further, I would like to introduce the members of Wonderforce. Our team consists of 4 people, Shwetji, Niran Kaur, me, Kanisha, and Vinishka. We are from SMK Infant Jesus Convent, Johor Bahru, from the class of 2 Francis. And our product idea is EcoSuction. Our problem statement would be, many individuals face challenges in accessing affordable, portable cleaning solutions for small or hard-to-reach areas. Traditional vacuum cleaners are often bulky, expensive, and not environmentally friendly. There is a need for a cost-effective, lightweight, and eco-conscious cleaning device that can be easily assembled and used in various settings. Therefore, our solution would be our DIY vacuum cleaner addresses these challenges by providing an affordable, lightweight, and eco-friendly cleaning device made from plastic bottles, rechargeable battery, and a mini motor and toothbrushes. It is easy to assemble and ideal for cleaning small or hard-to-reach areas. This innovative design ensures efficient cleaning while promoting sustainability.
Alright guys, moving on. Here I have with me the sketch of the product. The body of the product is made out of plastic bottles, including the fans at the top. We are using the bottle cap as a holder for the user to hold the product more easily when using it. Next, there are 4 main sections of the product. The first is the top part would be a compartment to store the battery and its holder. The battery is connected to the other sections for the wiring of the motor. The suction part is at the top, and the compartment for the dirt to get sucked in and stored in is also removable for the dirt to be disposed. Last, we have the bottom with the brushes so that it's easier to collect dirt.
The materials that we used and the cost that was needed is plastic bottles that was recycled, therefore free, tape alto, which ranges around 5 to 10 ringgit, a rechargeable battery, which ranges around 10 to 20 ringgit, mini motor that ranges around 10 to 15 ringgit, toothbrushes that ranges 10 to 20 ringgit. The total range of our product would be 20 to 30 ringgit, and our selling price would be 25 ringgit. Well, that's all from us. Thank you. Bye-bye.